Hello, thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the brand new product I've just released on Warrior Plus. And guys, you can get 50% commissions when you promote this. But we've already got people coming through, and this is really powerful stuff. I'm giving away a lot of value in this training. It's a viral lead magnet training course, on how to create lead magnets from scratch, and I also give you done for you file templates that you have the source files access on Google Docs, so that you can edit them, you can do whatever you want with them, translate them, edit them, put your name in there, and use those as lead magnets. But I also teach you how to turn them into and convert them into a viral lead magnet. So you could basically have your own army of affiliates all promoting your PDF. All right. Why would they want to do that? Well, because you can put links in your PDF going to your favorite and chosen businesses or offers, and those affiliate links can allow them to, you give them out your own rebrander tool. All right, so this is like an example. I give you these templates as share code, so you get these templates and you can use these or edit them, but they're all set up and ready to go. So you get the funnels, and then you get this one as well, and then this is the download page. But you also get your own rebrander tool. All right, as part of the LeadsLeap one of the new features of LeadsLeap. And I'm just giving away an entire training, a course, how to set this all up and how to, get access to my done for you files so that you can create your lead magnet from my stuff. But also I give you some access to some AI tools that can even create your lead magnets from scratch. And then I show you how to set up your own viral rebrander tool so that your affiliates, your users, your leads can come through the funnel, download your PDF, and the links in there will go to you, but then they realize that they can actually rebrand the PDF and own it, all right? Which is powerful because, you could do it in a number of different ways. You could either just give them full access to the rebrander tool, or just keep it away so that they don't get access to it until they actually join you in the offers that you're trying to get them to join in your PDF, all right? And then when you see that they joined your team or whatever, then you can give access to the rebrander tool, and so that they can rebrand it. This gives your entire downline or team or whatever you're trying to promote a kind of a viral effect. Imagine having your entire team promoting your lead magnets. All right. So why is a lead magnet so powerful? You must have come across them. All right. Lead magnets are not new. But I'm just giving you a way on how to create your own lead magnets, because they are, in every sense of the word, a lead magnet really does attract leads. You're giving away free, irresistible value, a tangible download for free that they want. All right. So you have to think about, and I teach you all this in the training, but you have to think about what's, the typical pain point that your audience is struggling with. And then you create a lead magnet around that. And then eventually they're going to come to the point where you have the solution, such as lead generation, or if you're part of a network marketing company and you've got a product such as, like Live Good, for example. You're trying to, promote your Live Good product, but a lot of people are promoting their network marketing business on the front end. But what you're doing here is you're promoting a free value, a free offer in a generic way. And on the back end, you're promoting Live Good. And then when they download the, weight loss recommendations, weight loss tips. I mean, I've created lead magnets for Live Good, for my Live Good team, such as, for example, 10 recipe hacks, things like oatmeal recipes that feature some of the Live Good products. But it doesn't necessarily promote it in that way, okay? What it does is it gives them weight loss hacks. And then when they get to the lead magnet, and they got the recipe hacks in there, such as oatmeal, I've got these recipes that feature some of the Live Good products. You put the protein powder, or you're making like special coffee mocha hack, which is healthy coffee, and then it has the Live Good coffee, for example. I'm just giving you examples. It could be any kind of lead magnet for any niche, whatever it is you want to create. It's just a way to create that viral aspect that attracts leads so that your team has something that they can share out that you've created and you're in control of, so that the leads will download and want to get access not only to the free value, but they can also realize, wow, if I join this, I can also get the rebrander tool, and I can rebrand it, so that they get their own version of the download, and they can set up using the share codes. Now, this is an example PDF that I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you the source code for the source file, so that you can edit this document, put your name in there, use it, edit it, do whatever. It just gives you a starting point. All right. I give you another bonus download that you can have as well. So you get 2 bonus lead magnets that you can edit. Plus I give you 10 ChatGPT, or I say ChatGPT, but it could be any AI tool, any AI tool that you prefer to use. I give you the prompts, all right, 10 prompts that you can use that will create really, powerful lead magnets. All right. Now, I'm not saying that this is automated. I mean, it does a pretty good job. If you're just going to simply copy and paste the prompts, and obviously you want to go and edit that, and then anything that it spits out, you want to edit that, and you can use Canva as a template. You can add some images, and you could reword it slightly, tweak it, and then I mean, I've created lead magnets like within hours, with the help of AI tools that I'm going to share with you in the course. Plus, I'm going to give you access to, it's a lot of it's free. Okay, free AI tools, plus some free image generator AI tools, so they can generate some images. These images were created using AI. Okay, and the document itself that you can edit is using Google Docs, which is free. I'm even sharing with you guys, even within this document, you can copy this AI prompt that you can actually do, go through this. All right. So there's some AI tools, and it actually promotes Leads Leap and My Lead Gen Secret. MLM Lead Pro. Okay. So you can actually set this up as a viral lead magnet. All right. So that people can brand it. So I'm getting you started. Plus, I give you the templates that show that the templates for book covers like this. So you can actually create your own 3D book covers. All right, I give you the templates that you can drag and drop onto a free software called Photopea. But you don't need to know how to use that software, because I've already just given you the templates. There's 6 templates currently that you can use. And you just put your mouse in there, it's drag and drop, and you can edit the text and so on, and you can get some nice looking templates, and also these pages for the funnel. You get the share codes, plus you get about 7 like a week's worth of email follow-up series for Leads Leap. So, this is really powerful, guys. You get a lot of stuff here, a lot of good stuff. So just want to share with you guys that this is now available. I've also put it in the back office of MLM Lead Pro. So you get this as well in MLM Lead Pro. So when you log into MLM Lead Pro, you're in the dashboard, and then you go to step 5. It's right here. And then you just simply put, you join. You can, if you're going to buy it, make sure you can go through your sponsor, and then you can grab your link to your affiliate link. You just click here, and then you can grab your link, okay, so that you can promote it, and then you come back and you just paste your Warrior Plus full URL and click save right there, and then you can test your link. Okay, click here, and it goes to all the links of the system, and you just go down to the bottom and you can click your link to see if it works. Okay, this is just a testing page. You can also follow the help section here as well, but just go through the system and you can get all the rest of it set up as well. And when you get into the settings area, you can get it set up in the settings area. When you go to the settings area, you'll be able to see that you can also put your URL in there, click save. But if you get stuck, You know, it says that, you know, this for example, this is a URL, this is a username. It tells you what you need to put in here, user ID for Traffic Zest, but it also has a help section. Okay, so you can either watch the video or you can download the PDF just to see, you know, username, full URL. All right, you know, a lot of people ask questions, but they like to skip the very help that was right there that's supposed to help them, and then you can also test your link. All right, so I've got you covered, guys. All right, well, get access to this course. It's only $14 one time, and then you can also share it out. And if somebody purchases through your link, you get 50% commission. So you get a $7 commission. That's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the inside. Bye for now. Cheers.